Well, now let's take a look at the if-else construct. Now, mostly you'll just see this as an if statement, but the else is part of it. It's optional though, so you certainly don't have to have an else. Many times you won't have an else. It'll just be the if. What we do is we say if this test expression resolves as true. Now, to remind you, what is true? True is non-zero. So if the result of this test expression is non-zero, it will be true, and this statement will be performed. What else could be in here besides a statement? A statement block. You could have an open brace here or here. Remember, C doesn't really care about white space. And then a number of statements inside the statement block, which get executed if this is true. If this is not true, and what is that? That is zero. That is a zero result. If the result of the test expression is zero, we come down here and we perform the else false statement block. So if this is true, do this, else do that. It's very simple to read it through. Here it is with a statement block and a single else false statement. If this is true, do everything inside the braces, whatever these statements are, and that all equates to be one statement block. Else, do this statement. And then, of course, here's the whole thing. If this is true, do this block, else do that block. And we'll have a chance at the end of this section for you to write some code using if-else. So if-else is pretty easy. If the expression is true, do the first group, else do the second group.